In this video, I'm about to show you how to play with friends on Minecraft Mobile from Xbox. To play Minecraft with friends on mobile and Xbox, you need to set up cross-platform play through Minecraft Bedrock Edition and your Microsoft account. First, sign up for a Microsoft account if you don't already have one. Then visit the Microsoft website, select Sign In, and follow the prompts to create an account using your email address. Next, ensure you have Minecraft Bedrock Edition installed on both your mobile device and Xbox. This version is essential for cross-platform functionality. Launch Minecraft on your devices and sign in with your Microsoft account. Once logged in, select Play from the title screen and navigate to the Friends tab. Here you can choose Add Friends or find cross-platform friends. Enter your friend's Microsoft or Xbox gamer tag and select Add Friend. After they accept your request, they'll appear on your friends list. To join or invite a friend to a game, ensure multiplayer is enabled. Select Play, then pick or create a world. Open the game menu, go to Settings, and confirm that the multiplayer toggle is on. You can customize who can join, such as friends only or invite only. To invite your friends, open the game menu and select Invite to Game. Then choose your friends from the list and send the invitations. When they accept, they'll join your game and you can enjoy playing Minecraft together across platforms. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.